Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning into this video. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about the trades that I took on Friday. And when we make profit on Friday, we have a new name for it. We're going to call it Green Money Friday. So far, my accuracy is 100%. Can't complain. And recently, the market has been given a lot of opportunity. And when the market gives an opportunity, the only thing we can do is just take them, right? And recently, I have been taking all of them, right? So I traded one stock and one stock only, and I traded both ways. I went long and short. And the type of trader I am, I trade both sides. Just in case if I'm looking to go long and there's no opportunity for the long side, there will also be or always be an opportunity for the short side, right? So we're just going to go over this quick, simple, and easy, and then we're going to talk about the trades that we took on Friday. All right, so let's tap in. So the first trade that I took on QNTM was a long position, and that one we entered around what time? We got it in at 9:55. So 9:55 around here. So 9:55 on this candle, I went long. So the first entry that I took was around 10:30, $10.30. So it's 10:55 right here. So 10:30 around here. And don't mind me, this is my first time doing my recap on TradingView. So if I'm stumbling a little bit, be calm with me. All right. Anyway, so I got in at 10:30 and I had an exit at 10:48 around this candle right here. On this candle, I got out. It was a quick entry, quick in and out. I got in with 600 shares and I made a profit of $102.80. That was a decent trade. Can't complain. So around here, so I got in at 10:30 and I exit at 10:48. Good trade, in and out, plain simple. The next trade I took was around, let me remove these drawings. One thing I could say is that around the time of like 9:30, I don't trade the first 1 minute candle off the market open. The reason why I don't do that is because there's a lot of emotion when the market open. You will see a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. So I like to wait till the storm clears, and then I look for a setup and then take my trade, because plenty of time I got caught in the trade in the first 1 minute and I got smoked because there's so many emotion, people buying and selling, and there's no clear view or direction where the market wants to go, right? So that's why I don't trade the first 1 minute. I did wait a little bit longer this day on Friday to trade, right? But it doesn't matter to wait, you know. I feel like patience is key when you're trying to learn how to be a trader, or if you're just a trader, period. Patience is key, because once you have patience, you will make less mistakes. All right, so let's tap back in. The next trade that I took was around 10:21, the time of 10:21, so around here on this candle, and that was a short position, right? So 10:21, and that entry was at 10:97. I got a 10:97 right here. So 10:97, and I got out at 10:84. That was a quick in and out entry, super quick. And in hindsight, you can see that it went down a little bit longer. It went down way further than I expected it. It went to a low of 10:32, and I could have made a very decent profit on this. But the only thing I can say that I probably the reason why I probably sold was probably because I seen probably some big buyers and I thought that it was gonna bounce and go higher, right? So it is what it is. I'm not gonna complain. I walked away green on that trade. I made $72 on that trade. Can't complain over spill milk. It's all right. So the next trade that I took was around 10:38. So 10:38 around here on this candle, and it was also a short position, right? But this one, we came out on top. This was the icing on the cake. So this one I got in at 11:56. I got an 11:56 right here, and I got an exit of 11:15. So this one I definitely 11:15. This one I definitely took advantage of. So it was around here. So I got in right here at 11:56, and I got out at 11:15. So good entry and good exit. right? And that one I made a profit of $321. So that day on Friday, I walked away with around $514, and that's great. That's great profit, and I can't complain. I made basically double my daily goal, which my daily goal is like $200. But if I do have profit and I have a cushion, I will take more trades to add to that position or that profit. And on Friday, it played out very well for me, right? On Friday, I took more short position or short trades versus long because I felt like the market was a little bit shaky in the morning time. So I just took the trades in the direction that I feel like was much stronger than overall, right? So that one I walked away with $321, and that was it, guys. It was I only spent like what hour or hour and a half on the day, and I walked away with profit, in and out, very plain and simple, right? So that's about it, guys. This is my first recap in a long time, and right now I'm growing a small account. So if you guys want to join that journey and see my recaps from now on, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and if you guys want to see me trade live as well, hit that like button, because now I can tell or get an idea if you guys want to see how I trade and how I've been growing my small account. So far, my accuracy been, let's see, my accuracy so far, it's 76%, and that's great. And I've been trading, and I took 50 trades so far. Yeah, I took, how many trades I took? No, I took 65 trades so far. 50 winning trades and 15 losing trades. Accuracy is on point. So obviously I'm doing something good. So if you guys want to see my strategy, my entries, my exit, the type of stocks that I'm looking at, how I find these stocks, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and also I have a free trade in Discord. You guys can check that out as well. It should, all of that information should be in the description. So don't forget, all right? So it's Key Life Trading. I'll see you guys on Monday. And we're gonna probably change the name to Monday to Get Money Friday. No, Get Money Monday, sorry. All right, so I'll see you guys. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Peace.